Also new at 5, California Attorney General Rob Bonta weighing in on the Menendez case. It comes as the brothers' defense team tries to get the DA kicked off the case.
And KCAL News assignment editor Mike Rogers at the desk now. Mike, you just got a copy of that new court filing from the Attorney General's office.
Yeah, and they're not only trying to get the DA kicked off the case, they want his entire office removed from this case to have a whole nother essentially venue setting here. Now, I do have that filing, as I mentioned, from the Attorney General, which basically says that the way the defense team wants to do this really doesn't apply here. Now, remember, the Attorney General really has no kind of vested interest in this. They are not a party to either of these cases. It's unclear if the DA's office were to get removed, if the Attorney General would take over. But the Attorney General in this court filing today says that is completely unnecessary. Basically, the Attorney General says the law that the Menendez brothers' attorneys is trying to use is a very narrow law. And I want to read you a part of their filing here. It says, the defendant must further show that the disqualification of the district attorney and his entire staff is the only remedy for the alleged conflict. Now, it's important there, the only remedy, because the Attorney General says that's not the only remedy. Now, remember, the Menendez brothers' defense teams have argued that because of new DA Nathan Hochman, who you see right here, because of his political ideologies and because he believes differently than the last DA, George Gascon, did, that there's a conflict of interest in this case. And they have filed for the DA's office to be completely removed. In the filing, they also cited several movements of personnel within the DA's office to this case, something that the Menendez attorneys feel was unfair and feels was not in the benefit of their clients. That's why they filed this. But today, Attorney General Rob Bonta weighing in, saying the district attorney and his office should not be removed from this case, saying that the law that the Menendez brothers attorneys quoted is very specific, and that says the only remedy for this would have to be to remove the DA's office. They say that cannot be the only remedy to this, and they do not find significant conflict of interest to have the office removed, Rutabaga.
Okay, thank you, Mike.